Eye injuries. Introduction. The structures of the face and eyes protect the eyes from injury. Select true or false. Correct. The eyeballs are set into the orbits, which are sockets surrounded by a bony ridge. The eyelids also protect the eye. They close quickly to prevent foreign objects from entering. Kim's daughter Eve was playing softball. The ball accidentally hit her eye. She has blood in the white part of her eye, and she is in pain. She also has blurry vision. Should Kim contact a healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Kim should contact a healthcare provider right away. Is surgery the best treatment for a black eye? Select yes or no. Correct. Black eyes get better without treatment after a few days or weeks. Ice packs may help reduce swelling and pain for the first 24 to 48 hours. Over-the-counter pain medicine can also help. The most common type of eye injury happens when something irritates the outer surface of your eye. Select true or false. Correct. Eye injuries are commonly caused by foreign bodies in the cornea. Foreign bodies can also cause abrasions to the cornea. If your eye is exposed to chemicals, should you keep your eyelids shut tightly while you wait for medical help to arrive? Select yes or no. Correct. Closing your eye traps the irritant next to the eye and may cause more damage. If your eye is exposed to chemicals, you should wash out your eye right away while you wait for medical help. Wearing protective eyewear will prevent 90% of eye injuries. Select true or false. Correct. Make sure that your home has at least one pair of protective eyewear available. Know any eye safety dangers at work and use proper eye protection when needed. Thank you for using Explain.